Namaste students, I hope you are all fine at home. Today let us discuss the flower of service. So you know that here delivery of service normally involves fulfillment of many formalities. It is in sequences and it has many formalities to be completed. To complete the service delivery and receiving process, we have to follow so many formalities. For example, when one plans for travel or tour, the process starts with the inquiry of reservation and ends with reaching the destiny of a travel or return journey. So, in this process, many formalities are to be undertaken, like booking a ticket, making the payment, catching the bus or train or mode of selected transport. So, this process or act is to be gone through both by receiver and the provider of service. So, in the case of medical treatment, where one has to select doctor or hospital, and he has to fill the application and has to pay the fees for checkup, testing, diagnosing, billing, etc. So all these they have to do to complete the formalities. So delivery of service has many formalities and procedure to be completed. For example, if you visit a bank to withdraw cash, you have to write the check, present in counter, wait in queue. All these process will be there. Similarly, if you want to withdraw cash from the ATM, again it has to there are so many formalities, like you have to insert the card, give the instruction sequence wise to withdraw the cash. So what we can say is every sequence has to be performed methodically and correctly to avail the service. These are all things you know. So that's why in service sector so many things we have to follow. That's why the process or sequence of delivery of service is step by step. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೋ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಟ್ 9 o'clock, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೈ 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎಣಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ and you have to make yourself cleanliness, all cleanness. You have to take your breakfast and you have to get ready, and then you have to walk a distance, or you have to either you can use any mode of transport, and then you have to reach the college, right? Like this. ಈ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸರ್ವಿಸನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ another formality to complete the service delivery. See, always the process or sequence of delivery of a service is step by step. The process it is a step by step where one formality is completed, after another formality is to be completed for service delivery. So such procedure is inevitable. You cannot avoid it. Right now, when we are there, want to get the service. These cannot be avoided. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಈ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೀವೀಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇವನ್ ಸಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಸಚ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್. But in future, I think so only. This corona batch, they have to face some problems also, because here so many industries or so many companies may not consider this marks and all this. So easy going is not a method, or directly if you are getting the result, ultimate result you are getting is not a method. So methodology must be there. Methodically we have to go. That's what here is here sequence or process we can say. That's why here flower of service we have to go here. Flower of service you have to follow. So what is flower of service? It is a here visual framework or understanding the supplementary service elements that surround and value to the core product. So flower of service is introduced by Christopher Lovelock, right? That distinguishes between the facilitating and enhancing supplementary services. So always you remember, most of the steps are inevitable in delivery of services or most of the procedures. So service provider has to make such a process here in a simple manner, and he has to see that there is a less time consumption in here rendering the service, and as far as possible make use of technology to simplify the delivery process. So to here to simplify the delivery process, they follow so many here steps. So that's why here Christopher Lovelock has given so many models, that is called here flower of service, right? Again you remember, in the flower of service we say that it is a ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವಂಥ ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ATM ಇಂದ ಹಣ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಂತಾದರೂ ಹಣ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಮನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಅದು ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ATM ಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್. These are all surrounded to the main product, that is withdrawing cash from the ATM. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಮನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, SBI ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂದ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂದ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? So you can understand here how much money you have, and even you can protect yourself using some PIN code and all this. Again you are providing security to your account, security to your money. So again it is a value addition. So what we can say here is service here. So when core product is there, all other supplementaries, they are all here adding value, or some they are adding value to the main core product. So that's why flower of service is introduced. So this is what here all these are what are here there other additional services or elementary services which are supporting the main service or main work product. They're all here, all are drawn in the form of petals of a flower, right? ಅದನ್ನು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಥರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟೋಫರ್ ಲವ್ಲಾಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಈಗ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ಎಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ and add value to core product. They are all called, they are all come under flower of service. Now normally what happens to delivery of any kind of service, you have to here have four processes. You have to follow four processes, or you have to go through four processes. So those are inquiry regarding availability of service, right? You have to inquire regarding availability of service, then sharing of inquired information, then terms and methods of delivery, then payment details, right? So inquiry regarding availability of service means, if you go to any shop, then you are asking, right, this guy, if you want to buy a soap, if you then when obviously when you are going to shop, then you are going to ask about the soap, this soap is there or not. So this is what here is inquiry regarding availability of service. ಅದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮೊದಲು ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಬರೀ ಈ ಸೋಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೇನೋ ಹಣ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ರೈಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಆ ಏನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Then obviously see, no services, even though they are whatever, to make our job easy, all these services are supplementing or helping us. But there are some terms and conditions, how to deliver that, and terms and methods of delivering the service. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟನ್ನು. So what here, if you want to go for online transfer of money, so you have to see the account of another person whom you are transferring, and IFSC code, MICR number, his name accurately, and the branch which you have to transfer. All these you have to see. So this is what you have to detail, or know what you have to see the details, right? So all these what here helps us, right? You know what all these helps us to understand what are the different terms and methods of delivery. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇವಾಗೇನು ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ their name, their account, their IFSC code, MICR number, all these you have to here understand. You have to just record that. Otherwise it is a problem. That's why, so you have to see what are the terms and methods of delivery. Then any of service, maybe service or maybe a product or goods, we can say these are not free. See, it is a business. Business services are not free of cost. So payments are to be made. And though even here you are, if you are transferring here, if there is an online transfer of money and all this, then also here percentage of commission you have to pay. Maybe here certain for certain transfer free may be there, but after meeting that particular edge or end, you need to pay the fees and all this. That all here what payments you have to make in the form of commission, or whether direct cut is there, or all these payment details. What form you are going to make the payment details. Nowadays you either cashless, nowadays we say it's a cashless economy. So even direct your because of the COVID nowadays, if you buy some goods or service from through now Amazon and all this, cash on delivery usually they don't allow. If it is allowed also, you cannot pay them directly cash. What you have to, QR code will be there, that from your mobile you have to scan that, then you have to make payment to that one. Like this is there. What is the payment details, in what way you have to make the payment, how much payment is to be made. So all these here are there, all these here are there to support the payment details or payment of service uh, rendered, right? All these are there. That's why depending on nature of service, here these steps can be enhanced. So you can enhance also, you cannot limit to only 4 and enlarged, but whatever procedure is adopted must be easy to implement, remember, because don't make it is very difficult, easy to understand and easy to implement, and it should be easy to practice also. So we can see some here flower of service, how this can be here practiced. You can see the points there. Christopher Lovelock has given model of flower service. He has given the model of flower service. It has some petals or sequences. Those include information, consultation, order taking, hospitality, safekeeping, exception, billing, payment. These are the 8 petals here are there in the flowers. He has given this model. So he says you can adopt this model while getting the service or providing the service. Then we'll see one by one what he says about information and all this, so that we come to know. Here information provider play here, his role is also important. A service provider has to give information of availability of services and terms and conditions of offering the service to the buyer. One popular method of sharing information with the public is through advertisement, that you all know, and other sales promotion activities, like you can use even TV also. TV is the popular media through which a firm can popularize its service. And with the development of information technology, now what we have, facility of internet and smartphones, information can be shared through other systems also, these systems also, in smartphone, Android phone and all this. And the basic information regarding the service product, like nature, use, mode of delivery, price, must be made available easy to interested person, that they have to do. Even customer needs relevant information about the product or service to obtain the complete value. They must get the complete value when they are buying. The new customers need information regarding the product and content, how to order it, about the prices, instruction for using it, where it is sold, and service hour before purchasing it. All these they need, right? Along with this information related with the law, such as condition of sale, warning, terms to use, reminders, and all these reminders and notification of changes. Customers are happy when they are advised about the value from a service and how to avoid few uncomfortables. Finally, what here it says is that customers may want some proof or documentation for confirmation of reservation tickets or monthly summaries of bank account activities, etc. The next is consultation. Person who is interested in the information of the service and who is in need of service may like to contact the service provider. Easy contact must be made available for consultation. That is address is to be given to inquire by the prospective customer. Service provider has to provide the basic consultation to provide further information regarding delivery of service. It is a stage where in the relation between the prospective customer and the service provider is being given a definite shape and it is going to be finalized, right? That's why consultation is one of the enhancing supplementary services. Consult is the simplest form. It consists of immediate advice from a knowledgeable service person in response to the request. Advice can be offered through group training program and public administration also. Then next is order taking. Once the customer is convinced of the service, he may show his interest in the product by placing the order. Definitely. There are many options of receiving the order. It may be physical or even nowadays online also. Order taking process should be very simple, remember, easy, but polite, fast and accurate, so that customers do not waste time and avoid unnecessary method or physical effort. Okay. Then book, for example, booking an airline ticket, right, restaurant table, reservation of ticket, all these we have to consider. Then next is hospitality. Hospitality is giving comfort in delivery of service. It becomes essential when a customer is making personal visit to this to receive the service. For example, when one visits a hotel, a hospital, or a traveling agent office, then they expect comfortable stay during the service receiving period. It is essential element of service. Then next is safekeeping, fifth point. This concept refers to the safety of transaction being engaged by the customer. It may be more particular in case of banking, wherein safety of the funds is important. Similarly, more important case of traveling, wherein safe journey is similarly important. In case of hospital, expectation of safe surgery or treatment is also important. All the safety here, safekeeping is you have to consider. The next is exception. Exception means apart from regular process of service, a customer may expect some exceptional service to be delivered. For example, during traveling or in a hotel, a customer may expect like to come with his pet. He may bring dog or a cat, which may not be liked by other customers. So service provider has to take care of such exceptions and provide the arrangement to handle those exceptional services. Right. Then next is billing. Based on nature of service delivered, the payment is to be made by the customer. So service provider may inform in advance as to what is the amount of bill and the mode of payment. The payment may be received in advance or after delivery of service. That depends on the terms and conditions agreed between them. Right. Then next is payment. So what is payment here? As per the billing and terms and conditions, the payment will be received always. Such payment may be received in one lump sum or it may be in installments. It also depends on the terms of agreements. Right. Then customer expect ease and the convenience of payment. There are varieties of options for customers to make payment nowadays. Self-service systems like inserting coins, banknotes or cards in machines. And the machine should be in a good condition. That is very important. Otherwise, machine payment cannot be done. Payment in majority transaction takes place by actual paying in cash or check or by using the cards. Apart from all these alternatives include vouchers, coupon or prepaid tickets also, remember. Then to ensure that people actually pay what is due, some service business have instituted control systems such as before entering a theater, tickets are checked. Similarly, before boarding a train. This is also done now. You can see in most of the showrooms and all this. Nowadays it's important, even for COVID at least now they are checking, right? And the staff should be trained to combine politeness. They should be polite, the staff. Other people don't listen or otherwise they don't make the visit only. So the staff who is appointed there, they must be polite. They must be firm in performing their job so that honest customers do not feel harassed. Otherwise what happens? They feel harassed, right? So these are the different petals of flowers. Here this one explained or given by Christopher Lovelock here as a model of flower of service, right? Other things we'll see in the next class. Okay, until then take care of yourself, take rest, be hard worker. Okay, thank you for the patient listening. You are okay. We'll see you the next time. Okay.